What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to continue giving you some examples regarding square roots. First example I have right now is 3 root 7 times 10 root 7. The answer is 3 root 7 times 10 root 7 is going to be 3 times 10 times root 7 times root 7. 3 times 10 is 30. Root 7 times root 7 is going to be 7. That's going to be 210. Next example. We have negative 4 root 6 squared. Answer is negative 4 root 6. Negative 4 root 6. Then it will be negative 4 times negative 4 times root 6 times root 6. Negative 4 times negative 4 is going to be positive 16. And root 6 times root 6 is going to be 6. So 16 times 6 is going to be 96. Next example. We have 2 root 11 times negative 8 root 11. Answer is 2 times negative 8 times root 11 times root 11. 2 times negative 8 is going to be negative 16. Root 11 times root 11 is going to be just 11. 16 times 11 will be 176. Then don't forget to put the negative sign here, because we know negative times positive is going to be negative. Next example, we have negative 7 root 5 times negative 3 root 5. The answer is negative 7 times root 5 times negative 3 times root 5. Negative 7 times negative 3 is going to be 21, positive 21. And square root of 5 times square root of 5 is going to be 5. So 21 times 5 is 105. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you again.